Namaskara ellarigu. Hi guys. Today we are going to talk about a micro ATX cabinet, which I did not find the video anywhere. So I'm trying to purchase this myself and upload it for you guys. So I'll try and explain what I'm talking about the cabinet in this video. So this is the cabinet. It's a Ant eSports 200 mini, 200 Air mini micro ATX cabinet. So this has option for good cable management. You have AIO support in the front where you can put that fan and fix it, the CPU fan, and then you can fix it at the front. Now let's get into the actual cabinet. We'll look into it. Not get into the cabinet. I mean to say we will actually look into the cabinet. And here we go. So we're talking about this beautiful white cabinet and eSports 200A mini. And eSports. So at the front, if you guys look at it, it's a 240 fan at the front, and we will talk about all the sides. On the left hand side, we have a clear glass cover, wherein if you set up the cabinet with all RGB, it will look beautiful. I'm not an RGB fan, guys, so I'll just let you know what you can expect from this cabinet. On the rear end, we have the opening for motherboard I/O connectors, wherein you can connect different kinds of input-output devices. Now, these are the separate panels, wherein you can remove the bottom two to install the graphics card, or you can install the graphics card vertically, and you can remove these two plates. So this is the plus point for the graphic card in this particular cabinet. Now at the bottom is where we will mount the PSU. It's a regular size PSU. So it's a separate section for the PSU where it will stay hidden. Only the front part or the side part will be visible, which will show how many watts it is, so on and so forth. Now if we look at the right hand side, there is a thumb screw. So if I remove this, we'll take off the cover. So we can see these cables are connected from that top, all that USB port. So if you see at the top, we have USB 3, USB 2. This is the audio jack. This is the mic 3.5 jack, both of them. This is LED control button. This is reset button. At the top we have power on button. The LED, and this is the hard drive LED. This is power on button. So those are connected, and this will go into the motherboard connectors. We have the screws and motherboard standoffs that is being provided along with the cabinet. So there are quite a few screws and probably 6 motherboard standoffs. So if we have a look, let me remove the glass cover. This is again a thumb screw that can be very easily removed. So carefully removing the cover. Now if we have a look inside the cabinet, you see we already have 6 standoffs that is already been installed inside. However, I doubt if we install a motherboard, micro ATX motherboard, we don't have enough space at the top to install the AIO cooler for the CPU, because uh, you see this portion, it's almost like it's going to touch. So if you install the AIO cooler, the fan is going to be so big that it will be obstructing the RAM sticks that will sit here. So therefore you cannot install the AIO cooler over here. This is what I think, probably, because I guess because it's almost like it's going to be very close. The motherboard is going to be very close to the top, so I'm guessing that this is not going to be possible. The other option is to remove these two fans from the front, and then you can install the AIO cooler over here, 240 mm. Now this portion is a separate section for SMPS, or power supply unit, PSU. Like I mentioned, it completely covers, and if you would like to cover all the cables, you very carefully do all the cabling work and do the cable management and run all your cables through these. So once you've done that and cover, uh, all of your cables will be covered. Obviously you cannot cover the cables 100%, but at least it will look neat. At the other part, if we see, there is one more bracket that is given. You can either mount a SSD inside this, or you can put a normal hard drive in that and connect to the motherboard. Okay, so this is the cute, white, beautiful and eSports 200 Air Mini white cabinet. So okay, I forgot one more thing. At the top we have this filter which can be removed, right? So this is magnetic. It will just snap in if you put it there, right? So it's very easy to remove and clean in case dust accumulates on this. This was about the Ant eSports 200 Air Mini Micro ATX cabinet. Wow, that was really big title. Alright guys, so like I mentioned, I'll leave the description where you can buy this cabinet. That's all for today. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe to the video. Bye.